Number 3 is the square root of 11. 1. The square root of 6 plus 2. The square root of 19. 6a is 2 over 73. 2 over 3. 1.996 and negative 9. Number 9 is 3 times the absolute value of 3x squared plus the absolute value of 3x plus 1, which is negative infinity to infinity. 9x squared plus 3x plus 3 in absolute value bars, negative infinity to infinity. 3 times 3x squared plus x plus 1, quantity squared, plus 3x squared plus x plus 1, negative infinity to infinity. G of g is 3 of 3x, negative infinity to infinity. 12. The square root of 3 over x minus 3. We have negative infinity to 0. 0 to, whoa. Yes, then 0 to 1, with a bracket on 1. Goff is 3 over the square root of x minus 3. So we got 3 to infinity with a parenthesis. F of f is the square root of x minus 3 minus 3. And that is 12 to infinity with a bracket. Then you have 3 over x, which simplifies to x for GOG. And you have negative infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. 15 and 16, there are your graphs. 17, your inverse is 3 plus 2x over 5x minus 2. The domain of your original is negative infinity to 2/5, 2/5 to infinity, and the range is in the domain. They're all the same for the domain and range on that, sorry. 18, we have inverse 2 minus 3x over x plus 1. The domain of your original is negative infinity to negative 3 to infinity. Range is negative infinity to negative 1 to infinity. For your inverse, your domain is negative infinity to negative 1 to infinity. Your range is negative infinity to negative 3 and negative 3 to infinity. 19, your inverse is 1 over x plus 1, or 1 plus x over x. Your domain for your original is negative infinity to 1 to infinity. Range is negative infinity to 0 to infinity. Domain for your inverse is negative infinity to 0 to infinity. Range inverse, negative infinity to 1 to infinity. 20, your inverse is x squared plus 2. Domain is 2 to infinity with a bracket, 0 to infinity with a bracket for range. Domain is negative infinity to infinity. Range is 2 to infinity with a bracket. 21, you get 3 over x quantity cubed. Domain and range on all of them are negative infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. 22, you get x minus 1 quantity cubed. For an inverse, your domain on range on all of them are negative infinity to infinity. 23a is 81, b is 2, c is 1/9, d is negative 3. 24a is 3, b is 4, c is 1 over 81, and d is negative 5. Number 25, you rewrite log base 5 of z equals 2. 26, log base a of m equals 5. 27, 5 to the 13 equals u. A to the cubed equals 4. X equals negative 3. 34, x equals 4. Square root of 2. 0.1. 0.4. Square root of 3. 39, log base 3 of u plus 2 log base 3 of v minus log base 3 of w. 40, 8 log base 2 of a plus 2 log base 2 of b. 41, 2 log x plus half log x cubed plus 1. 42, 2 log 5 of x plus 1 minus 2 log 5 of x. 43, log x plus 1/3 ln x squared plus 1 minus ln x minus 3. 44, 2 log 2x plus 3 minus 2 ln of x squared minus 3x plus 2. 45, log of x to the 6th times x to the 4th, and you can simplify, and there's how it's simplified. 46, we got log of 1 over x times x to the 6th, and that's how it simplifies. 47, we got ln of x minus 1 over x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 over x plus 1, and there it simplifies. 48, we got log of x minus 3 over x plus 4, that's the simplified version. you would have log x squared minus 9 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 if you didn't simplify. 49, we got log of 2 squared times x cubed over the square root of x plus 3 and x plus 2. 50, you got ln of the square root of x squared plus 1 divided by a fourth to the fourth divided by the square root of x squared minus 4. 51 is 2.124. 52, 4.392. 66, negative 16 over 9. 68, 2 plus or minus the square root of 12 over 4. 1/8, 21.133. 6 and negative 2. Negative half. 1. 80 is 3 or 4. 82 is negative 0.193. 84 is 0 and 1.585. Please come with questions prior to test day. I will not help you on test day if you have not come with questions prior to test day. Thank you.